Hello, kia ora, welcome to Molly Makes. Today we are going to be making elastic flower headbands. What you will need are some scissors, some fake flowers, a hot glue gun and some elastic. Now this is quite a wide elastic and it's nice and stretchy. And this piece is 20 inches long. Now we're going to just start off by trimming the end bits off these flowers. So cut all those off. And then we're just going to find the middle of the elastic, which is here. And we're just going to put our flowers on. So make sure you put plenty of glue. Then you need to leave it just for the glue to set for a couple of minutes. And then you just need to tie a knot in the elastic. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then just trim off the extra bit. And there we have it. Thanks for watching. Please just let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to see me make. Bye!